welcome to the 23rd edition of Standards Watch, your trusted show navigating the dynamic world of standardization. I am Nisha Bura, your host for this edition. Plastic packaging forms the backbone of modern commerce, protecting products, preserving freshness, and ensuring convenience. From the morning milk packets to the personal care items on our shelves, plastic packaging is everywhere. Plastic material is becoming increasingly important across various industries, and per capita consumption is rising quickly. But behind this everyday material lies a complex framework of Indian standards designed to safeguard health through food-grade plastics, ensure material strength and waste reduction through efficient design. According to a report, the plastic sector is currently home to about 50,000 industries, most of which are MSMEs. These enterprises contribute rupees 3.5 lakh crore to India's economy. In today's edition, we will explore the field of plastic packaging and the quality standards developed by BIS to ensure safe and sustainable plastic packaging. But before that, let us have a glance at quick updates.
Shri Sanjay Garg, IAS 1994 batch from the Kerala cadre, has assumed charge as the Director General of the Bureau of Indian Standards with effect from 1st November 2025. Sharing his vision, he emphasized building a consumer-oriented and industry-friendly standardization ecosystem to support the rapid growth of India. BIS recently led a strong delegation at the 73rd meeting of ISO TC 45 on rubber and rubber products held in New Delhi on 17th October 2025. The event brought together over 120 delegates, including around 100 international experts from 18 countries, to exchange knowledge for the future landscape of international standardization in the rubber sector. India has taken a significant step to enhance safety and quality standards with the mandatory implementation of a quality control order on cross-recessed screws. Effective from November 2025, the QCO requires all cross-recessed screws to carry the BIS standard mark. The Hubli branch office of BIS conducted a search and seizure operation at MSSK Marketing, Bastora, North Goa on 31st October 2025. Officials seized 171 pieces of marine plywood and block boards bearing spurious ISI marks and fake BIS license numbers in violation of the BIS Act 2016. Similarly, the Vijayawada branch office conducted an intensive raid on 6th November 2025 at MS Karimullah Jewellers, Peddapuli Street, Guntur. During the operation, officials seized around 1,286.28 grams of gold jewellery and a laser marking machine, both found in violation of mandatory hallmarking provisions under the BIS Act 2016. The Coimbatore branch office of BIS, in association with the Small Industries Development Bank of India, Coimbatore, conducted an awareness program at Sidco Industrial Estate Manufacturers Association to promote the understanding of Indian standards, BIS certification and quality compliance among MSMEs. The local industries were sensitized to adopt certification practices for enhancing product quality, safety and market competitiveness. The Vijayawada branch office of BIS organized a Learning Science via Standards session on PVC pipes for students of BRMP Municipal High School, Palakol. Around 80 students and teachers participated in the interactive session. The Faridabad branch office conducted an exposure visit for students of Government Senior Secondary School Sushant Lok Gurugram to Glen Appliance Private Limited on 6th November 2025. Similarly, 100 school students visited Professor Jayashankar Telangana State Agricultural University in Hyderabad, where they interacted with scientists and explored research facilities. The Vijayawada branch office also organized exposure visits for students to various industries, namely Wasabi Plast, SR Drip Pipe Industries and Sri Dinakar Fabrics Limited. Through these visits, students were inspired as young ambassadors of quality. The Medical Equipment and Hospital Planning Department of BIS successfully organized a hybrid seminar on medical technologies held on 7th November 2025 at NITS Noida. The seminar served as a vibrant platform for knowledge sharing, innovation, and standardization in the field of medical technologies, bringing together more than 200 experts, industry professionals, academicians, and healthcare practitioners to deliberate on emerging advancements and best practices. The Environmental Services Sectional Committee of BIS has issued a draft standard for wide circulation on guidelines for benchmarking environmental monitoring services. The draft is now open for review and comments by various stakeholders. As part of its ongoing efforts toward capacity building and harmonization of standards, BIS organized an orientation session for member secretaries of all BIS technical committees to enhance their understanding of technical procedures for formulating international standards and submitting new proposals to ISO and IEC. The session also emphasized on strengthening collaboration between international technical committees and national mirror committees. The Kolkata branch office of BIS participated in the Synergy and Business Facilitation Conclave for Industries held at Malda College Auditorium on 6th November 2025. The event was inaugurated by Sri Chandranath Sinha, Minister in charge, and Sri Tajmul Hussain, Minister of State MSME and Textiles Department, Government of West Bengal. The event provided an opportunity to BIS to directly interact with MSME industries of the district. In an initiative to sensitize youngsters about standardization and quality, 2 sessions on Indian standards related to Panchayati Raj and rural development were conducted in Jaipur on 6th November 2025. The session, attended by 385 newly appointed junior engineers, sensitized the appointees about standards related to building materials, agriculture, and QCOs, along with a practical demonstration of the BIS Care app. Considering the challenges faced by the small enterprises in comprehending standards, assessing testing facilities, and achieving compliance, the Jaipur branch office of BIS stepped in and pioneered the first structured cluster-level initiative for IS 15997, which pertains to raw materials of low-nickel austenitic stainless steel sheet and strip for utensils and kitchen appliances in the state of Rajasthan. This initiative saw enthusiastic participation from the Jodhpur utensils cluster, engaged in production of raw material for utensils largely comprising MSMEs. This resulted in the establishment of Rajasthan's first shared cluster-based testing facility, promoting affordable and benchmarked testing for MSMEs in this cluster. Additionally, the Jaipur branch office also organized multiple industry awareness programs on standards and QCO requirements for steel plate, sheet and strip for utensils and kitchen appliances, and stainless steel utensils for sensitizing the micro, small and medium enterprises. BIS continues to foster youth participation in India's standardization process through the establishment of student chapters in higher education institutions across India. As part of these chapters, students participate in 2 key activities: pre-standardization studies and case studies designed to support the process of formulation and revision of Indian standards at BIS. Currently, more than 333 pre-standardization study topics and 432 case study topics are available on the BIS portal.
The Bureau of Indian Standards has developed a robust framework of standards to make plastic packaging safer, more sustainable, and environmentally responsible. These standards define everything from material composition and safety in food contact to recyclability, ensuring that packaging in India is truly safe, sustainable, and standardized. BIS has been working in close collaboration with the international standards bodies, including the International Organization for Standardization, to take care of consumer and industry needs. In fact, at the national level, BIS has 3 committees on plastic packaging, plastic material, and test methods which cater to the standards in the field of plastic and packaging. Let us understand this robust framework of standards developed by BIS that safeguard our lives and protect plastic packaging.
Plastic packaging is everywhere, keeping snacks crispy, medicine secure, shampoos leak-proof, and much more. With its flexibility and versatility, plastic packaging has revolutionized markets across urban, semi-urban, and rural India. The demand has grown manifold in recent years. Modern packaging goes far beyond aesthetics. It plays a critical role in preserving food quality, extending shelf life, and ensuring safety by controlling the environment within the package and minimizing microbial contamination. But have you ever wondered about the framework of standards that regulate the safety, quality, and sustainability of plastic packaging? The Bureau of Indian Standards has developed comprehensive technical specifications to ensure plastic packaging meets stringent requirements, from material composition to leaching resistance and environmental stress performance. These standards help prevent the migration of harmful substances into food and promote recyclability for environmental safety. BIS has published a series of Indian standards for plastics in contact with food, including IS 10146 for polyethylene for its safe use in contact with foodstuffs and pharmaceuticals, IS 12252 for PET materials, IS 10149 for styrene polymers, IS 12883 and IS 12887 specify the requirements for PVC and PET bottles for edible oils, respectively. IS 16621 for polyethylene and polypropylene in contact with foodstuffs. IS 11434 ionomer resins for its safe use in contact with foodstuffs, pharmaceuticals, and drinking water, and IS 11704 for ethylene acrylic acid (EAA) copolymers for their safe use in contact with foodstuffs, pharmaceuticals, and drinking water. Since some material migration is inevitable when packaging comes in contact with food, BIS ensures safety through key standards such as IS 9833 List of pigments and colorants for use in plastics in contact with foodstuffs, pharmaceuticals, and drinking water, IS 9845 Method for determining overall migration of constituents from plastics intended to contact food. To help manufacturers choose suitable materials and packaging forms, IS 10171 serves as a guide on the suitability of plastics for food packaging. Specific food categories covered under BIS packaging standards include IS 8688 Plastics bottles for potable water, IS 15410 Plastic bottles containers for packaging of natural mineral water and packaged drinking water, IS 11805 Polyethylene pouches for packaging liquid dairy products, IS 15532 for plastics crates for fruits and vegetables. Plastic waste poses one of the most pressing environmental challenges of our time. With an estimated 300 million tons of plastic produced annually worldwide and 14 million tons entering oceans. In India alone, around 4 million tons of plastic waste is generated annually. Recognizing this, BIS has developed standards that encourage recycling, compostability, and eco-friendly practices, including ISO 17088 Requirements for compostable plastics, IS 14534 which lay out the guidelines for recycling of plastic waste, IS 14535 Specifications for recycled plastics used in manufacturing products. These standards require proper making of plastic types to aid recyclers, aligned with the Plastic Waste Management Rules 2011. Emerging sustainable materials are also covered through standards such as IS 16154 Water-soluble films, polyvinyl alcohol-based, IS 19109 Industrial compostable plastic drinking straws, IS 19113 industrial compostable plastic shopping bags. Also, BIS provides scientifically backed testing standards for biodegradability. IS 178990 Procedures for assessing biodegradability of plastics. ISO 14851 and ISO 14852 Aerobic biodegradation tests, oxygen consumption and CO2 release. ISO 14853 an aerobic biodegradation test, biogas measurement. From microwave-safe containers and food delivery packaging to compostable plastics, BIS standards align with India's commitment to a circular economy and a reduced plastic footprint. Through standardization, BIS is shaping future where packaging is smart, safe and sustainable, paving the way for responsible consumption and production.
Now it's the time for Consumer Connect, a dedicated segment aimed at fostering awareness about quality standards for a better and more reliable future.
Have you ever wondered why there are so many types of mattress and which one is right for you? So the answer lies in your sleeping comfort and posture. Foam mattress, which gives a soft surface and adapts to your body shape, reducing pressure points, a great choice for side sleepers. Whereas square mattress provides a firm surface with natural breathability, preferred by the back and stomach sleeper who needs better spinal support. The next is the spring mattress, which are bouncy and offer ventilation, perfect for those who like a cooler and firmer sleeping surface. And lastly, the hybrid mattress, which brings it all together, foam, coir and spring, combining comfort, firmness and ventilation in one. Generally an ideal choice for the people with mixed sleeping styles. The biggest concern for the consumer today is the selection of the right mattress as per your sleeping style, comfort, and to have a mattress that don't lose its hardness and thickness over time. The next question comes to our mind is then what we need to look for while purchasing your mattress. Selecting the right core material, either foam, coir, spring or hybrid based on your sleeping style and comfort. The quality of the top cover fabric for better comfort. Size of the mattress that fits your bed and proper labeling that tells you exactly what inside in the core layer. Certified quality certification that ensure durability and comfort of your mattress. But how can you confirm the mattress that you are purchasing truly meets all these features you are looking for in a mattress? So simply just look for ISI mark or IS 13489 certification. IS 13489, these standards cover the quality of the foam mattress, coir mattress, spring mattress as well as the hybrid mattress. Mattress certified under IS 13489 are tested for the quality of core layers, fabric used and overall durability. It ensures that your mattress can withstand air of usage without sagging and while retaining its thickness over time. So next time you buy a mattress, don't just go for the looks or price. Choose one that is BIS certified. Invest in your sleep, invest in your health. For more details, download the BIS Care app today.
With that, we wrap up for this edition of Standards Watch. But before we go, a quick reminder. If you want to know more about the standards for plastics packaging or if you have any doubts about the quality and authenticity of any product, download the BIS Care app. For more queries, visit BIS website or email us at standardswatch@bis.gov.in. Stay informed, choose quality, and let standards lead the way to a safer, stronger, and more secure future. Namaskar.